Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about anchor links in Squarespace. Search engines love long content, but making visitors scroll forever is a terrible user experience. Anchor links solve this by letting you send people exactly where they need to go. Let's get right into how to set them up. First, you need to drop a code block. Go to the exact spot on your page where you want your link to land. Click the plus icon to open your insert point and select the code block. Next, enter the code. Inside that code block, you are going to paste a tiny snippet of HTML. Type an open angle bracket, the word div, a space, the letters ID, an equal sign, an open quote, your custom word, a close quote, a close angle bracket, and then the closing div tag. Substitute your custom word inside those quotation marks. Keep it simple, like the word how. If you use multiple words, add a dash between them, like how to link. Now, link the jump-off point. Scroll back up to where you want the actual clickable link to live. Highlight the text you want to jump from, click the link icon, and type a hashtag followed immediately by the exact word you put in your code block. It is case sensitive, so it has to match perfectly. For example, type hashtag how to link. Then click apply. To anchor link an image, the process is almost identical. Select your picture, click the pencil icon to edit, and enter your hashtag link the exact same way. Click done, hit save, and your anchor is live. You now have a perfectly navigable page. If this guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.